Still super nice out. 81 degrees. But the air feels cool. Oh my, girly. You're flying. Like, wow. That's a red light you're running there, buddy. Bye. Bye bye. This guy behind me is probably not too happy I didn't go through that light, but you know what? Safety first. Unless we're racing. Oh, I heard that. Did the Hero 4 hear that? Did the DJI hear that? I want one of those. Hear that? Good old Camaro. I don't know if, would I want a T-tops or a convertible? I hate the way convertibles look when their top is up. So it'd probably have to be a T-top. But it is really fun to drive a convertible. Oh, look, I cleaned it all out. So now I can park in here. Hello, Carson. How are you, Carson?
I have some bad news for you, Daddy. You can't ride your motorcycle there to church.
Why?
Because we're coming with you.
So you're coming with me to work?
No, everyone.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What is going on in here?
What?
What's going on in here?
This is how many crickets we've caught today.
I ain't paying you for all that.
Yeah. You have to,
No.
Dad. We caught them for the money. We're buying them a Nintendo Switch.
So you're saying I'm buying a Nintendo Switch?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what you're saying.
So, Dad, you're not paying us? No, he has to.
Excuse me?
Yeah, you have to. Okay, you won't pay us. Mom will pay us. What's that? It's a motorcycle, boy. Wait, are you filming right now? Do you still make YouTube videos?
Yeah, I just posted one. I just posted one about you guys.
You did?
Yeah, you're the thumbnail. You're literally the thumbnail of the video. Look at right there. There's you guys. See you standing there? And it says, "Is it loud?" And you're covering your ears.
Oh, yay!
Yeah. Yeah. Go home and watch it. Give me a like and a subscribe and a thumbs up. See ya. It's currently 84. I gotta get gas. It's blinking. It's blinking. It's blinking. That's our guy that does our iPads. Damage device repair. Oh, I'm sad that my ride home is short. Definitely days I wish it was like a half an hour ride. But that would be a lot of footage, like double the footage. Oh, can you imagine editing all of that and importing it? It already takes forever at 4K. Oh, I got on the bike on the wrong side. You naughty. Whoa, I put my leg on the side of that tank and it was cold. Because it's got cold fuel in it. That feels nice. I've never noticed that before in my life. This is a Ford Taurus SHO with EcoBoost, which means it has a turbo, or maybe twin turbo? I can't remember. They used to make the Ford Taurus SHO. They actually made a stick back in the day, back in the, what was it, 80s? Or 90s. I can't remember if it was 80s or 90s, but they made a SHO. He's got a dash cam. He looking at me in his rearview mirror. I can see you. I'm ready. Is there any cops around? I don't see any cops around. He had her there for a second. It was fast, but nothing like those Corvettes and the fast things. Let's see, the fastest thing that I can think of that I've ever raced was a turbocharged Camaro. Ouch! Holy crap, that was a giant pothole. That about broke my neck. Oh my goodness. That hurt. I'm gonna need to go to the chiropractor. It hurt my back and my neck. What? It's like I was not even had the shocks raised. Okay, well, I do have shocks left and a tire after all that. That was brutal. Brutal! That broke my back in a pothole. Oh my goodness, I wasn't ready for it. I bottomed out. Yeah, go ahead.
Can I press the horn?
Do not press the horn without permission.
May I press the horn?
Yeah. That's funny.
Did you turn it off?
I did.
Oh. Can I press the horn?
Yep.
Can I press
That's not the horn, that's the blinker.
Oh. Can I press it?
Yep.
Can I do it at
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, go.
Did you ever pick up that kick blade?
It was supposed to be delivered.